Hi everyone, this is Debbie from Project 39 Mini Albums. I am showing you a design team project from Country Craft Creations. All of the materials are available at countrycraftcreations.com. So this is a ZigZag folio. I've already done one, and this is the second version. The difference between the two of them is this one has a magnetic closure where this one has a ribbon closure. And this one is made without a hinge, and this one has a hinge. So I will do tutorials on both versions. If you're new to mini album making, folio making, you might want to try the other one without a hinge, but this one is also very easy. It only has 4 pages total, so pretty easy to make either way. So this book measures 8.5 by 5.5. It's got a 1 1/4 inch spine on this end. This end is 1 inch, so that way these 2 pages fold together real well. I also have done a little quickie tutorial on how to make these flowers. Some people have been asking for tutorials on how to make embellishments with your paper. So I'll show you how to do that in yet another tutorial, and I'll try to put it all on a playlist so you can follow along. This was made with the paper collection, let's see what it is, Flora by Carta Bella, and I also used the coordinating solids. In addition, I did use some of the dotted paper available at Country Craft Creations, really just because I was running out of paper. Let me show you what I have left. So I have these stickers and these papers. There's only 4. 2 of them are these tags, and I'm going to cut them down and use them for cards or to put in Happy Mail or something like that. So they're adorable. I might even make a card with one as my final project. I'll see if I have enough to do it with. But anyhow, I'm so happy that I get to use all of the paper to make a couple of projects for you. This Flora collection had a couple of different color schemes. It had the pink and periwinkle with yellow, and then it also had this cream and olive green and forest green. So that is why I ended up making 2 mini albums. I mean, they're the same, but they have the different color schemes. So it's sort of like a bonus. All right, well, let me open this up and take you inside and show you what is in this folio. So technically a folio doesn't have hinges, so from what I've heard. So this has hinges, so it's a mini album folio. So this page is 5 inches. The bottom is 5.5, so that's why there's a little overlap. Now I kept this page flat because you still could put a photo on here. So it opens up, and on the front is a double pocket. I've used some of the cut aparts here. This yellow is really bright there, and I don't know. I just am going to go with that. And then I made some tags out of the paper when we're done. So you can put a couple of photos on here. I'm going to keep this out so I can show you tuck spots here. So this side has 2 pages and the other side has 2 pages. Now this method of using the hinge gives you pocket pages. So there is a page there that you could put photos on, and there's another one here to put photos on. And obviously you can put a photo right here, so that'll fit nicely. A 4x6 photo will fit there. I mean, if you want, you can use this as a photo mat. And then this opens up, and I've already put photo mats on this page. So this will fit a 4x4 photo, and that's a 4x6 photo. The colored portion is 4 1/4 by 6 1/4. And I did outline that with a really tiny white border just to put a little more emphasis on the photo mat. I put a sticker here from the sticker sheet. And then here is the back of that page. And here you can see you can put a photo there because those are open. And then I did put a little sticker here. Let me show you this side. So here's the back cover. And I made, so this is a couple of tags out of that little tag sheet. I made a little larger tag, and I just clipped some paper about a 3/16 of an inch and put it on there. This is great for journaling on. Here's a small photo mat. And this, of course, holds the flap of this pocket. But you open this up, and there is room to put some photos in this back pocket. It's good for photos, for ephemera, you know, anything you've left over by the time you've put everything into the pages. So I'm just going to tuck these here. This was, I just used a punch on one of those tags, just a circular punch, something like this. I think it's a 1 1/4, 1 1/2 inch punch. And then you've got some more embellishments. So those are cool. And you can fussy cut if you wanted these flowers. If I needed the flowers, I was going to fussy cut that. And then again here, you can put a photo on this page. And then this next page is another hidden pocket page. And I put the photo mats here. This is a sticker that I backed on white cardstock. And this sticker I just backed on some of the red pattern paper. So just lay a photo on there and you're done. This is open, so the photo will fit. All right, and then let me take you to the Z-fold section. So this opens up like that, and you can see all of the angles. This has sort of a belly band with one of the stickers on here. And I just put a couple of those cute little, the tags in one I made. And it'll open this way. And in here, I have more of those little tags. This one I backed on green paper. This one I just cut out and rounded the corners. I did put eyelets in some of these and then just decided it really wasn't worth it. This I just took one of the stickers. I had a little piece of the border sticker. I actually cut it. It's only about 1.5 inches wide. So I cut it and had it so it looks like it goes from edge to edge. So you could put a photo on there. That's a sticker. It's backed on cardstock. So we'll put those cute little tags in there. And this was just one of those tags that I just cut out, folded at the edge, and put there. So you can put a photo still on here. This doesn't really impede the photo. And then this will open up one more time this way. And again, you can put a photo on here or stick one under there. This I did the same thing. I just cut it and folded it, and you're done. And this, of course, is open here as well. And then this will open this way. Here's another pocket. Making these pockets is a great way of using all the leftover paper. That is one of the reasons why I didn't have too much left over. Another handmade tag and a photo mat journaling card. So those will go in here. This was actually 2 stickers layered on top of each other. And this I made the belly band with that border strip and put a sticker that I had backed on white cardstock on there. And this was just some of the leftover paper that I put on the white cardstock. And then this will open up like this, and yet one more angled pocket, a journaling card. and more of the angled pockets on the back. So I did put some more of those tags. These ones I made. I just had a punch I've had in my stash. And again, I just took some paper, folded it, and just taped it. But wouldn't that be fun just to journal on here? And if you have little pictures, you could put a picture on there as well. And that is a photo mat. And that is also, the pocket goes all the way to the bottom, so you do have room. And then these little tags were in the sticker sheet, so I backed them on white cardstock and put them in here. And this also was from the sticker sheet that I backed on white cardstock. So we'll put those in that. I made that as a little pocket, and this will go in there. It'll go there. And that is it. It is pretty simple. As you can see, there are two sets. Here, this goes over here. Two sets of pages, front cover, back cover, the Z-fold and Z-fold pockets. Real simple and fun. I mean, I've made a summer journal out of this. Now we'll take this and put it in here. Or maybe we'll put it this way so you see the pretty periwinkle. Isn't that color beautiful? And then go ahead and this will tie one more time. And then I don't know if you've ever made these flowers. This is made from a circle punch. And I had gotten some green buttons from Country Craft Creations. I had this pink one in my stash, but I tied them with some green thread that I had just to add a little oomph to it. I actually did tie the button onto the embellishment just so nothing happens to it. But there we go. There is the Beautiful Day ZigZag Folio mini album made as a design team project for Country Craft Creations. When I get the tutorial done, and it probably will be, it is June 16th, 2021, I'm hoping by June 18th, 2021, the tutorial for both of these mini album folios will be completed, and then you get to choose if you want to do it with the hinge and the ribbon tie, or with the magnets and without a hinge. So thanks so much for watching. Go ahead and hit that like button for me. It really does help me out. Enjoy your day. Thanks for watching.